Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do Quantum Leap in Mario Rabbids. Quantum Leap is a powerful ability unique to Rabbid Peach, allowing her to instantly teleport across the battlefield. This move is incredibly useful for quickly repositioning, escaping dangerous situations, or reaching distant objectives. It costs just one action point to use, making it a highly efficient tactical option. Understanding its mechanics is key to mastering combat encounters and achieving victory. To perform a Quantum Leap, first select Rabbid Peach when it's her turn. You'll see her available abilities. Choose the Quantum Leap icon. This action consumes one of her action points. Next, you'll need to select an allied hero on the battlefield as your target. Rabbid Peach will then instantly teleport to that ally's exact position, ready for further actions or to provide support. It's a straightforward process with significant tactical depth. Strategically, Quantum Leap is fantastic for closing distances rapidly, allowing Rabbid Peach to reach far-off enemies or critical objectives in a single move. Consider using it to instantly join an ally who needs healing, providing immediate support with her healing ability. It's also excellent for repositioning to gain a height advantage, secure better cover, or flank unsuspecting foes, turning the tide of battle in your favor with smart placement. To truly master Quantum Leap, anticipate enemy movements and plan your teleportation to intercept or avoid threats. It's invaluable for quickly reaching specific map elements, like spark locations or switches, to complete objectives faster. Remember to manage its cooldown. While it's a powerful ability, knowing when it's available ensures you can consistently leverage its tactical benefits throughout the entire battle. Practice makes perfect with this versatile move.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.